The dumbbell row. So dumbbell row is like a horizontal row, so face down and then pulling a weight towards your belly button or just to the side of your belly button. The key to the exercise is making sure that your shoulders are square to the ground and your shoulder, the engaged shoulder, is pulled down towards your hip. So it looks like this. Setting up on your box or your bench or your lounge or whatever you've got. Bringing your chest square to the ground. Keeping the core engaged, and then in this position making sure that your shoulder is pulled down towards your hips, lifting up the weight and then slowly lowering back down. So the breathing is in, out. So it's slow on the way down and then explosive on the way up. Just making sure you're getting that shoulder depressed and locked down towards the hip and not over rotating. So you don't want to be pulling the motion like this. Just keep the shoulders nice and square, and then the dumbbell comes up to around about, it's a belly button height-ish, maybe slightly above. And the thing to think about as far as the arm movement is concerned is like imagining you've got a piece of string attached to your elbow and it's getting pulled up towards the ceiling. So that is the dumbbell row.